Best dehumidifiers. Commercial dehumidifiers play a vital role in reducing humidity in warehouses, offices, and industrial settings. High humidity can cause damage to equipment, promote mold growth, and create discomfort. A reliable dehumidifier ensures a healthier environment, protecting both your property and the people using it. List number. Experience efficient moisture control with the Blue-Dry BD130P dehumidifier. Perfect for basements and job sites, it ensures a dry, comfortable environment. This robust dehumidifier removes up to 225 pints of moisture per day. The included hose makes continuous drainage hassle-free. Its gray design blends seamlessly into any setting. Reliable and easy to use, it's ideal for both home and commercial spaces. Advantages: efficient moisture removal. The Blue-Dry BD130P effectively reduces dampness. Perfect for basements and job sites. Keeps areas dry and comfortable. Built to last. Durable construction withstands tough conditions. Ideal for long-term use. Reliable performance in demanding environments. Easy operation. Simple controls make it user-friendly. Anyone can operate it. Hassle-free setup and maintenance. Versatile application. Suitable for homes and commercial spaces. Adaptable for various needs. Ensures versatile dehumidification. Large capacity. Handles up to 225 pints per day. High capacity for efficient drying. Ideal for large areas. List number. Transform your space with the Air Plus Dehumidificator Energy Star. Perfect for large rooms up to 460 meters squared. Its silent operation ensures a peaceful environment, making it ideal for bedrooms or living areas. Enjoy easy maintenance with a 2.6-liter capacity and a handy drainage hose. The 4.8-liter water tank offers extended use without frequent emptying. Simple controls make it user-friendly for everyone. Advantages: large spaces stay dry with this efficient dehumidifier. Covers up to 460 meters squared, perfect for basements and large rooms. Quiet operation ensures a peaceful environment. Ideal for bedrooms and living areas. Energy Star rated. Saves energy while effectively reducing humidity. Includes a long drainage hose for easy water removal. No need to empty the tank constantly. Large 4.8-liter water tank provides extended usage. Reduces maintenance frequency. List number. Experience a fresh, dry home with the Air Plus Dehumidificator. Perfect for spaces up to 2,000 square feet. This efficient 20-liter dehumidifier tackles excess moisture with ease. Equipped with a 1-gallon water tank, it reduces the need for frequent emptying. Smart technology ensures effective operation, adapting to your home's needs. The included drainage hose offers hassle-free, continuous drainage for added convenience. Advantages: efficient moisture control for large spaces, keeps basements dry and fresh. Smart technology adapts to humidity levels, maintains ideal indoor climate. Large 1-gallon tank reduces emptying frequency, saves time and effort. Continuous drainage option with hose, offers hassle-free operation. User-friendly design ensures simple setup, makes dehumidifying easy. List number 5. Experience a fresh, dry environment with the Hogar Labs 30-liter dehumidifier. Designed for basements, it comes with a handy drainage hose. Enjoy peace of mind with a 24-hour timer and automatic shutoff. Choose from 3 modes to suit your needs. Intelligent humidity control ensures a comfortable home atmosphere. Ideal for large rooms and living spaces. Advantages: efficient moisture control for large spaces. The Hogar Labs Dehumidificator effectively reduces humidity. Ideal for basements and large rooms, ensuring a comfortable environment. Smart humidity management. Equipped with an intelligent humidity control system. Automatically adjusts settings for optimal moisture levels, enhancing air quality. Convenient drainage solution. Comes with a drainage hose for easy water removal. No need to manually empty the tank, saving time and effort. Versatile operating modes. Offers 3 modes to suit different needs. Customize settings for continuous, auto, or sleep mode, optimizing performance. User-friendly features. Includes a 24-hour timer and automatic shutoff. Simplifies operation and provides peace of mind.